Christ. Today is Thursday. Today's Thursday. We have another class to go to. 2 more. Then we're done for the week. And we have the weekend to look forward to. Let's go.
Feels like.
Why?
Ain't that good.
Why are these ads moaning in my ear? Where's Freddy? Where's Sonny's nail clippers? What? Did Sally pee and poop outside?
Yeah, she did.
What do you want then, dude?
Just hot.
She just bored?
Yeah.
Boys, it's hailing outside. My goodness. For people.
Next week, and then beyond that, it's down to just the final.
Anyways, we're here at the barber shop to get a fresh cut, okay? My hair is long, starting to grow a rat tail. You're about to see my haircut in 3, 2, 1. Scratch that. My barber was busy with a client. This time, for real this time, the haircut. Here it is. Here it is. Today is Friday the 25th. We're going to pick up some Five Guys and help our bro clean out and go help clean out the office so we can actually use it. I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, maybe 2 minutes long, but as long as I'm posting something, I don't care. Come on through here, go through here, going through here. It's dark. This is the office after we painted. If you go back on the channel, there should be a video of a time lapse of us painting this room. But this is after we cleared it out. We plan on putting some flooring in here soon, 3 weeks. This is the lights. This is the wall we do photography. But this is mostly gonna be a production studio. And this shelf is so flimsy. This shelf is not safe at all. But we're gonna keep it there because it looks cool. This is Friday night signing off. We'll be back on Saturday morning for a wedding photo, for a wedding ceremony.